There we go. There we go. Boom. We are live. Why is it not focusing? Why does it look so different? So weird. All right. Whatever. There we go. All right. I'll go ahead and ping it out to everybody. Yeah. Hold on. All right. Let's get the let's go ahead and share. Copy link. Select all, copy, link. Boom. Boom. Let's even go like this. Boom. All right. Let's go watch myself. Give myself a like. All right. Let's go ahead and get into it. Oops. There you go. All right. Window. Boom. Let's go ahead and look at all this. Oh, my eyes itchy. All right. Let's go ahead and look at what we got going on. Damn. Just off rip. Looks crazy. All right. Let's see. Is this the right color? Definitely. Okay. CPI on Chef. Not gonna lie, GDP Chef looks like it wants to sell. Okay. USD here, 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, 1:30 on CAD, odd 10:30 p.m. tomorrow night. Odd again at 11:30. USD NZD right here. Potential may not be happening unless we open the government tomorrow. NZD 445. And then NZD USD. 1510 USD. Yeah, it's gonna be NFP week technically. First Friday of the month, yeah. So we'll see if we get NFP, because if the government shut down, we won't. So we'll see. We shall see. All right. Let's go and start. Haven't missed a single stream yet. Hey, I appreciate that, bro. You're a real one. Appreciate you. All right, let's see. Let's see. You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do for y'all? Let me just do this. Bink. That to me, just that right there, okay? Just that right there says that if this does move up, we're going here. We're going to 48,500. So, hope you saw that. This was good buys. It was good buys, and it's going to say goodbye. Look, it closed this gap right here. It's exactly what it did. Literally almost to the exact point it closed this gap. Didn't close it yet here. Came and closed it. Came and filled it, rather. Oh, okay. Definitely looking for buys on US 30. I would say wait for it to come down to 47,650, 660 area. That aligns on several time frames, maybe even 630. Okay. Yeah, you want to see it retest this structure again. Somewhere between 660 and 620 is where I want to see it pull down to continue up. London session will probably make that happen for real. Like that'll probably happen in the next few hours, maybe. We'll see. Nas, same deal here. Ready? This plays out. We're going to 26,715 at least. So again, be looking for buys. We buy the dips until the dips don't buy, guys, and we sell the highs till the highs don't sell. If you have been following me, you know that's the little phrase I've coined. Why go against the higher time frame trends? Then I'll just go with them. So some point these markets are going to sell. Just saying. So will this just come up and retest this, make a double top up here, and then drop? Good. But if it plays out and if it breaks those highs, the chances of it going to those areas I called is very likely. Definitely looking for buys here. I just want to see it get above these lower time frame MAs and see it push above potentially here through London. And then maybe New York session tomorrow, we catch the pullback here and get in around 2650, 26,100 maybe even, depending on where everything's at then. Yeah. A bit of a bearish candle there though on the weekly. So we'll see. Keep our eye on it. Keep a finger on the pulse. I know everybody wants gold, so let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. Hope I'm not doing it too soon. Okay, we got 10 people in here. We got 10 people in here and 6 likes. I appreciate it if you guys would like the video. All right, let's see. 2 down weeks in a row, huh? Oh, wow. Wow. That says come back down here. 3,500. I called this same spot. 3,450. Called that same spot last week actually. Sell gold right now. I mean, not even bullshitting. It could. It really could. So one of my mentorship students sold it. He sold it up here. He literally got in at market open and sold it. He got in over here and sold. Look at this double top right here. Boom. Left side, right side, down. Break the middle point. Now we're going to come back up and probably retest this 4-hour MA potentially if we break this 1-hour MA, which we did. So I'll probably come back up here, retest this structure, retest this zone. We got a zone right in here. I'm dropping gems. Hope you guys are catching them. Got a zone right there. And then we got this zone up here. So we'll see which one we want to go to. And yeah. Yeah, I can see us coming back up to this 4 hour RMA potentially. Or flipping here soon and then selling off from here. Oh yeah, I'll probably sell off from here. It's a good sell right there. If I were to sell this right now, 4,007, stop loss be like 4,000. You could make it really, if you got balls, you make it 4,010. Like seriously. If you want to be a little safer, 4,015, 4,013. This though, this either means we're gonna fill this, or it means we're gonna reject that and go up and continue up here and then get our push down. We'll see. I'm not getting involved in anything right now, just to be clear. Daily looks good. Boom, downtrend. Boom, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low. Come right down here to 38, 39, 3,900. Next stop, let me drop below that, 38.50. Boom, right here. So, yeah. Kind of a revival of gold, though, this week. We'll see. We'll see. Could fight its way down, you know, resist the downtrend a little bit. Back under 4,000, though. It's cool. All right. Let's go to Euro USD. Let's do some of the majors, huh? Let's do some of the majors. Let's do the majors. Look at that. Boom, left. Boom, right, down. Break the middle point. Basically a double top here. Not really. It's kind of more slanted double top. Beautiful, though, right there. I'm going to adjust this. And adjust it again. That's more like it. Telling you right now, Euro USD is probably going to come right up to here. 115.680, 115.650, you could call it, or maybe even as low as 115.550. Somewhere between the 550 and 650, you're going to get some rejection and more than likely continue down. We'll see. Yeah, look, because you'd be testing this zone that we broke right here. You'd be retesting this between, yeah, if it just wanted to touch this, it'd be like 412, but it could be a little lower. Basically, once you start to get close to this zone, start paying attention to it. Once you start to get to this wick and above, all the way up and through this structure, all in here, pay attention for reversal patterns and then take it back down. Could have a buyer's week though on it. I mean, this is why we wait for London session tonight, right? Because it'll tell us what we really want to do. Could have a little buyer's rally again and then come back down. Excuse me. All right. Same kind of deal with GU. They move very similar. Excuse me. Yeah. I want to see it like somewhere around here. Retest this structure, this bottom of the structure here. Boop, somewhere in here. 131.480 to 131.564. But again, this looks like it wants to buy. Oh, look, pink. It's gonna buy. It's probably gonna buy a little bit, at least a little bit, just a little bit before it sells. Potentially, if it does sell beneath here. If it does sell beneath here, it'd be super sells, probably down to 129.750, and then if it breaks there, we're going down here. So UJ. Set this up here. I think it'll come back and test where my where this is. I think it could. 153, 325. We'll see. There's a lot of fundamentals going on with Japanese yen right now. So right now, look up the reverse carry trade if you don't know what it is. and they're basically calling back a shit ton of loans by increasing the interest. So a bunch of people took like trillions of dollars of loans basically off of the Bank of Japan, and they are increasing their interest rates now and basically calling all them back because they took zero interest loans off of them. So now they're raising those interest rates, and people are probably going to have to, give those loans back more or less. So Japan's JPY is getting super bullish. So we'll see. Comes back down here. All right, USD CHF. This thing wants to buy. Wants to, doesn't mean it will. Let's see. Yeah, it's hitting structure. I wouldn't even. Yeah, fuck this. USD CHF. I mean, for why? For why would we get involved in this? So screw that. I might sell this right now. USD CAD. Definitely going to come probably back down to here, 139, 870, 900 area. Yeah, definitely coming back down to the 890, 900, like I said. So needs to break this though, 140.80 first. Structure all through here. Our buyers got involved plenty of times. Yeah, I can see this coming back down to 139, 860 to 890, 900 area. This area here, this structure, boom, right in there. I can draw it up for you. Something like that, that's good enough. Yeah, it's good enough. There you go. Somewhere in this range. Probably not lower. Probably the high to mid part of this, which is why I said the numbers I've said. Breaking back up on the daily, down, up, lower, low. This is your lower high, or rather lower high, whatever. To break up above that. So, I mean, if you consider this your lower high, though, then it technically didn't break on the daily. Getting a bit of a double top, starting a downtrend. Triple top right here on the 1 hour. Yeah, could be seeing some sells. If you really stop loss to 100-point stop loss from right now. If you got in 100-point stop loss into sells, you'd be above this right here. Sorry, you'd be up here. I'd do like a $1.20 stop loss. Oh no, never mind. 160, 260, yeah, $1.20 stop loss, 280, and then just hold for the next week. I mean, it's a possibility, but I want some more confirmation to be real. So, NZD USD. Look at this. Look at this touch right here. I wanted to see this come back up to here. Look at this. Touched my damn thing to the T. To the T. Look at that. Look at that. If I'd have taken those cells, holy shit, I'd have not been in any drawdown and I'd be in so much profit. It'd be disgusting. 158.50 to 157, almost 1,000 points. Jeez. All right. We're just gonna act like that never happened. Okay. It never happened. We didn't miss that. What are you talking about? All right. Let's see. Yeah, we want to see it come up to here first. Hey man, NZD USD just Absolutely selling off. Whew, I'm tired, guys. The time change really screwed me up. No more comments. Time change really screwed me up. Like, dude, I'm on like 5 hours of sleep. I thought I was on like six. I was like, okay, I'll be all right. But nope. All right. Let's go through. Let's go through a few more. Hey, name some pairs. Name some pairs. You guys want me to go over? I'll go over like three more. Name some pairs. Name some pairs. Any pairs. We'll do GJ and then two others because I know people love GJ. Okay, GJ is full of shit right now. Let's see. Look at these. Look at these cells. Had that pinged up. Cells played out. Pink. Keep that right there. If I see it come back up to there, I'll probably sell it. I don't like selling at highs and stuff though. I like buying at pullbacks to highs. So we'll see. If we stay beneath here, the 202,700, 202,700 to 770, we stay beneath there with closers on like 30 minutes and above. I would say we're bearish. If we come push above there, I would say we're bullish, and I'd take buys off there. There you go. GU. Okay, I already looked at GU, but I'll go back to it. Yeah, GU. Yeah, I think we see some bullish momentum, but I mean, because we're at a low, right? So I'd want to just see it pull back up to a place that makes sense, and that place I think is, let's see, place could be right here, 131,550 area for sells, but I would just wait to get confirmation and see it actually respect that before you would get into sells, because you are very low right here, very oversold. I would like to see, if you want me to be real, I'd like to see it come all the way back up to here. I'd like to see a big push on GU, come all the way back up to here, retest these lows here, and then continue down and take sells right here down to new lows, down to here. So there you go. Any others? Okay, I'll do one more selected at random. All right, totally random. Basically at highs. Well, I mean, recent highs. I don't think this is all-time highs. Nope. Well, I wouldn't be looking to sell. I'll tell you that. I'd be looking to buy. So we're at 2 buy points right now. Actually, we're consolidating those. So I want to see a. I mean, I'm probably gonna buy off here actually. So yeah, probably buy. We'll probably continue buying right here. Oh, that scared the shit out of me, not even gonna lie. Let's go check on US 30. I forgot to change my damn sound because my dog was losing his damn mind with the beep sound. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like I want to come down here. A lot of people are going to say it's bearish and whatnot. I mean, it definitely could sell off. You could see the indices continue to sell this week, for sure. I mean, look, downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. Didn't break this previous lower high, so we're still technically downtrending in 4 hour. However, I see this retracement on the daily, and 38.2, 23.6 closures, whatever. Usually means we're going to continue up, as I showed in the beginning of the video. So if you didn't see that, go back, watch this again, watch the beginning, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So, okay, that's good. Yeah, I'd like to see this pull down to I just see it pull down to like 630. to like 600 area. Somewhere between 600 and like 650 is where I'd be looking. Maybe even like 660 is where I'd be looking in probably the upper half of that. So, yeah. All right, guys. Well, that about sums it up. There's 9 people in here. If the other 3 people that haven't liked yet could like, I'd appreciate you guys. And with that being said, that's it. That's all. Did some pairs, did some indices, did gold. So if you didn't see any of that, go back and watch it after this gets uploaded. Quick one today. Appreciate you guys coming out. Much love. And yeah, let's have a great week, guys. If you're not in the signals, get in the signals. I'm going to be sending a lot of signals in there this week. It's going to be a great week in the market. So let's get it. See you guys. Peace.